What do you think you're doing, princess? Did I give you permission to draw some of that?
Okay, ready or not, here I come. Okay. Alright, hopefully you're not under the pillows. Okay, if I was hiding there, that would have fucking killed me. That would have literally killed me. It would suck if you're inside this closet. Okay, if I knew my fucking life depended on it, I would have picked a better hiding spot. Let's hope you're not behind these curtains. Oh my god, but I am behind the curtains. Curtain number 1. This is not hide and seek. This is hide and kill. He's trying to fucking kill me. Finally, curtain number 2.
Sarah was finally home. Caillou was very happy to see her.
Caillou! Ni hao. What?
What a beautiful couple.